Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of NIOS Mathematics subject. We are going to cover the topic sum, difference, product and quotient of functions from the lesson relations and functions. So we are going to see how to do addition of two functions and how to find out the subtraction or the difference between two functions and how to find out product, quotient of function as well. So in this video, we will be covering the topic check your progress 2.6 as well. And if you're new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you enjoy the content, and subscribe to the channel to get the notifications on time. Let's begin. So the first topic that we are going to see is addition of two real functions. Okay, so this is as usual your addition. How you do the same way you have to do it. Consider we have a function f of x given as x square and another function g of x given as 2x plus 1. If this is the condition, you have to find out their sum. So this is how we write it, f plus g of x. Okay, instead of writing f of x, we are writing f of f plus g, and that x we are including here. And how to do that? You have to first find fx and gx sum. Okay, so this we got from f of x, and this 2x plus 1 we got from g of x. Okay, simple substitution and then addition. Here you can see here x square and 2x cannot be added together because they are not of the same degree. That's why we will be writing this as the final solution. So this is how you have to do addition. Now coming to subtraction. How to do subtraction is same process as your addition. How you usually do subtraction or addition, same method you have to follow. In this case, it is f minus g of x. Okay, so f of x minus g of x you have to find out. Same thing here, this symbol is negative or minus, and when it is applied individually to each of the term, here it changes its sign, and you can see here minus 2x it becomes, and here already it is plus. Minus into plus will be minus again, or negative sign you will get, and then substitute that 1 or write that 1 here. Okay, if you have a coefficient or any other number here like 2, just multiply the 2 also with the given terms. That's it, and this is the solution of your given function. Next one is multiplication. Multiplication again, if you want to do, you are given with two functions f of x and g of x. In that case, you have to multiply both of them and find out their product. You can write this way, f into g or f dot g of x. Okay, it also can be written f of x, g of x. Separately you have to find their multiplication. Find the product of f of x and g of x. Write x square, which we got from f of x here, and then 2x plus 1 can be written this way. And don't forget this bracket, because if you leave this bracket, the answer will be something else, and that will be a wrong answer. So don't forget that. So individually x square can be substituted or multiplied with each of the terms inside your bracket, separated by addition or subtraction. Okay, so it will be 2 into x square into x, that means x cube. Okay, then now x square is here into 1, that x square will come here. So this is the product of your two functions. Let's see how to do the quotient, or how to divide two functions. To find out the quotient of two real functions, the only thing you have to keep in your mind is the denominator. You have numerator and denominator. The denominator should not be equal to 0. Okay, if it becomes 0, what will happen? The numerator divided by denominator will not be a defined number, or not defined, or you can say infinity will be the solution. So that has to be avoided. That is the only thing you have to take care. And here you can see if f of x and g of x are the two functions, this is how you find out their quotient, f by g of x. So in that case, g of x should not be equal to 0. Okay, and given the same functions written here, you can see here this is the term that comes as denominator, 2x plus 1, that will be denominator. It should not be equal to 0. So we have to find what value of x should not be used so that the denominator should not be 0. Okay. For that we are substituting it to 0 first, and then finding out 2x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1 by 2. So this value should be avoided. If not, the denominator becomes 0 and the whole function will become not defined or infinity. So that should be avoided. That is the only thing you have to take care while doing the quotient or division of two real functions. Okay. Hope you understood how to find out these operations of functions, your arithmetic operations of these real functions. Now we can do some exercise question. Examples are given here. Already we have seen how to do. Let's see one more example. F of x is given as root x and g of x is given as x. Be two functions defined over the set of non-negative real numbers, and you have to find f plus g of x. So first function is this one. So what we have to do? We have to add both the given functions, root x plus x. So this will be the final answer. You cannot add it further. So this is the final answer. If it is f of minus g of x, the second operation, the same way you have to do. Further you can't simplify it. So this is the final answer. F of f into g, or multiplication when we have to do f into g of x. So separately you have to multiply them, and you get here as x raised to 3 by 2. How you get it? Root x means it is x raised to 1 by 2. Okay, into x raised to 1. Now what we can do is x, the values you can see both are x. So what you can do in this case is 1 by 2 plus 1. When both the base are same, the exponent gets added up. Okay, so this is a mathematical property that we'll be using, and here it is 1 by 2 plus 1. When you do 1 by 2 plus 1, it will be 3 by 2. Okay, find out the LCM and get the solution. So 1 plus 2 by 3, 1 plus 2 by 2, that will be 3 by 2. So x raised to 3 by 2 is the solution. Okay. And no need to write also like this. You can simply write it as x root x. That is the final solution. Now when you want to find the quotient of these two functions, this is the way you do. And here you can see it is root x by x. X means it is root x into root x. Okay, you can write this way. Cancel it. You will be getting 1 by root x. That can be expressed as 1 by x raised to 1 by 2. And when it comes to the numerator part, it becomes x raised to minus 1 by 2. So that is why this solution appears like this. Okay. And in this case, x should not be equal to 0. That is the only condition. Hope you understood how to do this question. Now let's check your progress question, that is 2.6. Check your progress 2.6. We have limited questions for this. Let's see the first one. A function is defined as f of x 3x plus 4. Write down the values of f of 0, f of 7, f of minus 3. This is very easy. What you have to do is whatever value is given here, you have to substitute it. So f of x is given as 3x plus 4. So first you have to find f of 0. So in that case, you have to substitute 0 instead of x. So 3 into 0 plus 4. It becomes 0 automatically, and here it will be 4. So 4 is the solution of first question. Hope you can do the other questions also using the same method. Let's move on to the second question. Here f and g are the functions where distance are defined, and you can see here f of x is given, g of x is given. Find f plus g. So to find that, it is very easy. F of x plus g of x, that means x plus 1 plus 2x minus 3, which will show you as 3x. This and this term can be added because they are like terms. You can see here both are x, and these are the numbers. So 1 minus 3 is that you are getting here. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So You can write it 3x minus 2. Okay. Next one is f minus g. F minus g means x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3, which is equal to x plus 1 minus, here see it is negative sign, so whatever signs are used inside will get changed to the other sign. So if it is plus here, it becomes negative, so minus 2x minus minus plus 3. Now again find the solution of these like terms. X, that is 1x minus 2x, that means minus x, or minus 1x you can write it, and here it will be 4 minus x will be the solution. Similarly, find out f into g and f divided by g. The same method you have to follow that you have used for the previous questions. Hope this video was useful to you. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Do comment in the comment section if you have got doubts and if you want to send your feedback. Thank you for watching.